and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright.
No, you guys listen. Bush to subdue Saddam. I mean, how primitive.
When two cowboys meet, what do you expect? Boom! Fireworks!
Look, Saddam will be what's good and the world will be better for all of us.
Hey, Professor! Hey, what can we do for you?
Mr. Jonathan, what are your new philosophies on this Iraqi issue?
Well, I believe it's a case of double standards, you know. It is sheer bigotry on the part of the US. Why shouldn't the Iraqis acquire biological, chemical, or nuclear weapons if they want to have them? Didn't the Pakistanis and Indians break the nuclear threshold recently?
Hey.
And what happened? No. And the North Koreans?
I think this Iraqi case is a special one because of Saddam Hussein's record.
Yeah. What record? What record? Who were the first to develop and use the atom bomb? Do you remember Hiroshima and Nagasaki?
Yes, a long time ago.
In any case, all the technologies and know-how that govern the development of nuclear, chemical, and biological weapons were refined in the days of the Cold War between the US and the former Soviet Union. And what are you telling me about right now?
This guy is a potential Al-Qaeda recruit.
Professor!
Osama bin Laden will be in love with him, pa.
And how did Osama bin Laden change from a wealthy Saudi businessman to the mean devil that he is today? Whosoever digs the pit shall fall in it.
Professor.
Me what I do?
Professor.
Hello.
Hello, boys.
Good day.
Good day, sir.
Good day, sir. This guy is a crazy.
No, true. For what time? Because he has a different point of view. Look, he has a point there, you know. What point? It's a solid point.
Yes, what is it?
Oh, this won't take very long, sir.
Well, come on. I don't have time for small talk.
Yes, sir. A loan, sir. I want a loan, sir.
You want a loan from me?
Yes, sir.
And who told you that I run a bank?
Well, sir, I thought that...
You thought wrong, young man. Anyway, isn't that why you are here? To learn how to manage with scarce resources and survive. You must learn to survive.
Sun City, Sun City.
This Jonathan guy. I'm sure he's,
Why do you always say that?
No, see. Don't you see his moves are weird and awkward?
Master, the guy just love books. That be all. Other one to be crying. Because of you, don't see talk.
Look who is talking. Me the you who not is it talk.
Thank you very much anyway. Yes, a perfect clockwork combination of sinews, muscles, genes, blood vessels. A victory for science. Unlike Okoti, very depressing, disappointing specimen of a human Homo sapien, banana town. Strange. Rasto. If I was not a civilized, humane and moral person, I'll dump this key into the nearest gutter on this campus. Irresponsible children. Your fathers are rich, so when you come to school, just hang around talking rubbish, and I, Jagolevia, take note of everything I do. Yeah, come on. I'm a good person. And I live an upright moral life. Let me go and give this to the report. And you, what's up with all these calls?
Nothing much. Just putting some 1 and 2 together.
You mean calling girls?
And what is wrong with that?
Nothing. I didn't say there's something wrong with that.
Heard you guys talking about girls. This are clearly pedophile. Is it defilement matter? I be serious, so. Look how they look cozy and they say be small girl. Wow. What's up with you?
Has anyone of you seen my keys anywhere?
No.
Are you sure?
Charlie, I'll make serious. What that?
So go search.
You sure? Then let's retrace it.
Charlie,
make sure you're not fooling us.
I say I make serious. What that?
Oh. Man can download my drink. Can it come?
Did you say your roommate has traveled? Yeah. He left this afternoon and he said he'll be back tomorrow. And he took his keys with him. What? And we both have our keys. Why would he leave it?
Let's check with the porter. I think that one is better. You never know. Let's go. Let's check.
Hello, sir.
What can I do for you, man?
Mr. Bosompim, has anybody brought in a bunch of keys? I think I lost mine.
What's your home number?
404, sir. That's it, sir.
Mr. Bosompim, who found it?
Jonathan Jebele. Talk of the devil.
I thought you'd be grateful this time.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thanks.
Jonathan Jebele, you must be really proud of yourself. It was a one-touch operation. Smooth as silk. Yes. And the result. And are you sure you had 500,000 CDs in there?
Why would I lie? I put it there just this morning.
And what about your roommate?
No. You would have told me.
You will not hear say they talk about them come money for. Where you get them from?
Make you not tell me that thing. Say me, I don't go if you have money or what. My mom sent me that money to get some boost my studies. What that?
Oh, you are? And who found your keys?
Huh? Jonathan Dublin.
Open system.
Hey,
I have always said that there was something fishy about that guy.
Where hey.
Not click me.
Hey, you guys don't jump into any hasty conclusion.
Relax. Mop go comfort. Relax.
is this the man who came to me this dawn asking for a loan? Or will be on black on there?
Well, for a resourceful man, even a giant leap becomes a small step.
There he goes again.
Look, much more gold has been mined from the mines of men than has ever been taken from the earth. Waiter, give my friend here 1 star. A chilled one, of course. And cheers to you. Even though he didn't give me the loan. Go ahead. Drink.
One day shall never end.
Yeah.
But I will drink the star.
Yes, you need it.
Check this one out. See? Can't you see there's no sign of a break-in? Which means whoever took the money had a key. And you say your roommate had traveled. And the only person who could have had access is Jonathan Jeble, who had the key for a period of time.
But I know because of this thing, like,
If you don't come, if you did here.
Okay. Thank you. And this is for the vehicle service.
Thank you.
That's
Thank you.
That's all right. Did you add my friend's star here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now for lectures.
Thank you for the beer anyway.
All right, my brother. Not mention it. Brotherly love is the core of humanity. Enjoy the star.
You guys, what's cooking? Why is this place so dead? Have you lost your tongues or something?
This is no time for dry jokes. We are talking about 300,000 cities here.
What 300,000? Has any of you want 300?
Look, somebody has taken Russell's 300,000 from his room.
And we suspect Jonathan Jeble.
What? Do you have any proof?
All indications point to him. Besides, he had the guy's keys.
Oh, so that explains the guy's sudden economic transformation and wealth, eh?
What wealth?
No, this one, you won't believe it. You know, I went to the restaurant this afternoon, and you won't believe what happened. The guy even bought me a beer.
Beer.
Jonathan, I'm telling you.
Restaurant.
Yeah. The guy for Gogo, no? He didn't take it. I strangle him.
You guys don't be presumptuous.
Hey, the guy for Gogo, no? That's all. Oh, where you go?
You guys still know.
Jonathan, if you don't like trouble, come out.
Charlie, you saw say the guy did it.
The guy, stay inside. The guy, stay inside. No, come out. Come on.
Hey, you guys, what's all this cacophony about? Huh? Oh, it's too hot-blooded. It's every noise. Why? Huh?
Good Godfrey, put some sense into these boys before they do anything.
Charlie, make a note of that. Okay. Where is Jonathan?
Me, I go put the guy in the room. It's Jonathan.
Jonathan, if you are there, come out.
Yeah, and to what do I owe this indignity?
The nerve.
Hey. There will be no more human rights abuse over here. What? Relax.
I'll report this to the hall master. If this was the jungle, I would have already given you just recompense.
Okay, Jonathan, so what about the man?
I have told you already. All I did was to find your lousy keys and give them to the porter. That's all.
So who take the money? Tell him make you no play plus me.
You can take me anywhere you like.
Alright, it's okay, brothers. It's okay, Charlie, relax.
It's not okay.
Look, we must approach this matter in a more matured way, please.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
First, I think that Jonathan should be allowed to invest into something more decent. This is not an inquisition.
I don't like what you guys are doing.
Charlie.
The guy go, boss. I could take him go.
Not necessarily. Not necessarily. There's no need to jump to any hasty conclusion and exact instant judgment.
Exactly what I've been telling them. I told them to investigate this matter before they take any action. And I don't know.
Alright.
Charlie, no. Me, this matter is not ended though. I'm going to shake him. Oh, you say what? Tell me I don't know.
Hey, relax.
Soon
relax.
time.
Hey, relax. Look, I suggest you guys leave this matter to Percy and myself, so that we'll investigate and know what line of action to take next.
And who has made you an investigator in this case?
Look,
in any case, this matter is cut and dried.
But for some small thing, I would have been in the CIA.
And what happened?
Hey, in matters such as this, we must hasten slowly, because I know that anger is the wind that blows away the candle of wisdom.
Ozzy, that's the old man talking.
Okay, so relax.
Let's go.
We'll be waiting, oh.
Charlie. Remember, you haven't seen the last of us.
I mean, I'll be back soon time.
I will pursue this case to its logical conclusion.
Cool down, Professor. Cool down.
Wannabe, are you sure you don't know anything about this money?
Do I look like a thief to you?
That is neither here nor there. However, I can't help remembering some of the events that took place yesterday. At dawn, for example.
Sun City, the light lets the park and we see clearly, cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly.
Oh, Amatia Anye. Oh, good morning.
And what is it?
Oh, a loan. I need a loan.
True. To what do I owe this misfortune? What kind of bad luck is this? You wake me up at this time of the morning and you are looking for a loan? Bank him a domla. Bank tokra gamalesho obwa.
Oh, 50,000 could hold me up nicely for a week. I'll pay you back later.
Jonathan, Nado, Malio, I have no money to give you for a loan. True.
Upon all your old age and maturity and experience, even common 50,000 is difficult for you to live. Sure.
Where did you get all this money from when you had just gone a begging this door?
Exactly the question I was going to ask you.
Look, plan for the future, but prepare for tomorrow.
And what's the meaning of that?
I sent an urgent SOS message to my uncle in the US. And he sent me some money through GCB's fast money transfer. I'd rather go hungry than steal somebody's money. Like me, Bumway.
Hey, Yumisi, have you heard what happened this morning?
What happened?
Jonathan Jebliabi, what is his name?
Jonathan Jeb. Oh, the eccentric bookworm.
Oh, yeah?
What has he done?
He has gone to steal money. This morning. Please, it was this morning now, didn't you hear?
He's kind of weird, I agree. But he's not a thief.
Sure, you want them to write Ole on his forehead before you know he's a thief.
Oh, come on. He is not a thief. I can't see that guy taking anybody's money.
Anyway, when you get to school, you hear the full gist. But the boys were really beating him this morning. It was so pathetic.
I guess they are mistaken. That guy can never take someone's money.
Why? Do you like him?
The question is, where did you get all that money to spend?
Well, sir, I had money transferred into my GCB accounts.
Liar! Hey, young man. Please, out of my office. Ben young body. Come on, get out!
Excuse me, sir. Yeah, hello. Michael. Hey, what's up? Yeah, we didn't miss up the tea office. You later, I'll go feel like.
You what? No, Michael, why should you have told me first? Michael.
As in, my... No, that... That was my roommate. He took the money. I'm sorry, sir.
Gentlemen, as I said, a man must not be labeled a thief unless it is proven beyond all reasonable doubt.
Sorry.
Mr. Zeble,
Danger knows full well that I am more dangerous than he. For we are two lions littered in the day, but I, the elder, and more terrible. Shing Balakanya. Not Gamala Degrev. Even if I don't have money, I don't want your coins!
How wrong could we have been? Everything pointed out Jonathan as a culprit. Yet, he has committed no crime. Well, I suppose we've all learned lessons from that experience. We must always allow an accused person a chance of self-defense without let or hindrance. We must always treat an accused person with reasonable civility. How wrong we could be about other people. And finally, even rash.